This is a quick introduction to the Queen's Moodle site and some areas that students will need to be aware of. We start with the breadcrumbs up here. Notice that obviously the home page is marked, so you can always get back to this front page by clicking that. Next to that is what we call the My Modules. If you click on that, you will get a drop-down list of the modules that you are enrolled in. In this particular instance, this student is enrolled only in the induction module. That's a link, so if you click on that, you will be taken straight to the induction module. Under Centre, Campus and Chapel, you will find various bits of information about life on campus and around the chapel, etc. Under Academic Foundation information, if we click on that, you can see that you have academic information. That page will tell you all about how to submit an essay, etc. The Queen's Guide to Using Moodle, all of the information that I'm giving you now will also be available in written form in that particular page, hospitality, and so on. VLE management, we expect that most students will never need to look at. One of the areas it's very important to be aware of is what happens if you click under your own name. So in this case, we're talking about Keen Student. You can see the drop-down menu that appears. If you click on Dashboard, that takes you to a key part of the site, which helps you to access the modules that you are studying. It's a little empty at the moment, but if we go to courses, notice that the courses are split between those which are in progress at the moment, those which are future, and those which are past. Keen Student is only enrolled at the moment on the induction module, which hasn't started yet. Click on future, and there it is. Equally, you can choose to have a timeline available. That tells you what you have coming up in terms of activities due. At the moment, Lucky Keen Student has nothing that they are due to submit. Equally, under your profile, it's worth also noticing that you can edit your profile. If you click on this, you can see there's the name, the email address which Moodle will use. It is very important that you keep that up to date. You can upload your own picture if you want to, and then update the profile by clicking there. You can see that you're then taken to your preferences. Your other option is to open the drop-down menu. That will take you straight to this page. Notice that if you want to change your password, this is where you go. One more thing, going back to the home page, is just notice that down the side, down the right here, there are any number of blocks. Those blocks are important because they give you access to various parts of Moodle, but also these top two give you access first to the Common Awards Hub. The first two words are click here. If you literally click on those, that will take you across to the hub. Under Student Advantage, if you were to click on those, on click here in this block, that takes you to the Student Advantage Information Service. We will be sending you more information about that.